Hello guys, today I'm going to show you a tour of our house. Not our house, the apartment.
Hey guys, remember when you watched my channel and do a vlogs? I won't do vlogs, I didn't upload it yet probably. When you have this uploaded it won't be out yet, but I am saying on Duo Vlogs, and I have said on my channel.
You only made one video on your channel.
I know, it takes so long. And then, I love Christmas. I try to get us this $4.1 million house in Colorado where it's a bunch of snow, but it's too expensive. So, hey, I'm talking. Right now, I'm looking at Christmas decorations for the outdoor.
Oh, they can see it because I'm facing towards it.
So we got these cool multicolored.
Okay, guys, let's just start with our bedroom. So this is our bedroom. We have a bunch of couches, another bed, TV. We got balcony. There's a car, actually. That's not our car. Here. Talk about wind. Oh, this is dark. Okay, let me just turn on the light. It's currently here. Oh. I also gotta use the bathroom. So, yeah, that's also why I'm gonna see you. Okay, actually, I'm gonna keep recording. Just wait there, please, because I have to use the bathroom. Like, I'm not. I don't have to use like a number dose, so I'm lucky. Okay, and it's really fast for me to see it. That's the case. Nice bathroom. Nice. We have the sink. There's me. Hello, boys. Hello. Hello. And yeah, that's the bathroom. Oh, that was awesome. Thank you. Now I get to the kitchen. This is the kitchen. Yeah, nice. Oh, what's it? We have this. We have everything. Got the footage. And basically, that was the apartment. Check out, subscribe. Oh, wait, I'm not gonna say it right now because I'm supposed to say it at the end, but it's the end.
I'm trying to buy me a decoration palm tree.
Bye. It's the end of the video, boys. Bye.